That's a far, dude. You wanted camping content. We'll go give you some content. Welcome back to the Redneck Garage campsite. You guys have been wondering and asking me what I used in my egg, whatever the hell creation that we made the last time we was out here, the omelet. So today we're going to show you everything that goes in that. So you're going to want to heat up your grill. I already buttered it, but it needs buttered again. So you're going to heat up your grill. You're going to butter it. Throw some butter up on there, like so. Get that going.
Cut you off
Yum, yum. And once you do that, you're gonna want to get your bag of, normally we use fresh stuff and cut it up, but this time to make the video quicker, we're using the frozen stuff, which works just fine. Just as good. It's a bag of peppers, everything on there. We're gonna take our Bob Evans gravy. We're gonna open it like so. You get it on there. Is that cooking? You gotta get all that meat. Can't leave none behind. It takes a second job to buy food these days. You gotta keep it. We're gonna take that. Put it in our trash. Now we're gonna take it and spread it out evenly. Make sure your heat is on low. I heat it up nice and hot, and then before I start putting it on here, I put it down to low. It's gonna cook slow, but it's not gonna burn. It'll be just fine. Spread that out like so. We're gonna let that cook. While we let that cook, we're going to crack our eggs. We use a dozen eggs for this. So after we crack our eggs, we'll be right back. Okay, got our eggs battered up in the bowl. Now your secret ingredients are gonna be Himalayan salt, only salt to use, black pepper, fresh, and garlic powder. We're gonna take our garlic powder and we're gonna put in the amount that we want. Then we're gonna take our black pepper. You don't want a lot of black pepper. About like that. Then we're gonna take our Himalayan salt. About like that. And then we're gonna mix it up. All right. Once we got it mixed up, we're gonna take and we're gonna put down a base layer. Just like so. Just like so. Then we're going to take all of our goodies, put it up on there. like so. And we're going to take some Mo, pour it on there. Pour it on there. Get her done. She's going to run. Let her run. All right. Spread it out. Spread it out evenly. And we're going to let that cook for a good hot minute. All right, so now we're going to cut this in half, just like so. Cut it in half. Cut it, cut it, cut it. And we're going to grab our cheese. Put our mixed blend of cheeses, whatever cheese you like. That's what you eat. Just like so. We let that melt just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let her melt. We gotta flip it. I'm gonna have to cut it again. Flipping it. Gotta get it broke loose from the pan. I need a bigger spatula for this. That one flipped a lot better.
A lot easier.
Yep. But it don't matter. It's all going to the same place. Now, for the cake that tops the pie, we want mozzarella. And we're gonna melt that all over the top. All over the top. Let's get it, dude. That will melt. And turn my heat way down. Okay, now we let it cook till that cheese is melted. Keep it low, low, low heat. Once it's melted, we'll be right back and I'll show you the last step. There's one more step before you can eat it. Okay, guys, now we're gonna get us our piece right over here to our plate. We're gonna get the cheese salsa up on there.
Shells in there.
Now you eat. Excellent. Now, guys, you can feed a whole campground with this stuff, and it's like $10.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I only need this little sliver. It tastes like a breakfast lasagna. Good. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you like this cooking content, maybe y'all get better like Chef Ramsay. And we'll bring you some more cooking content from Redneck Campground or Redneck Kitchen, because we know Laura's Kitchen is out of business. So, all right, guys. Peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.